guys, welcome back. It is time for another ship with me video, and today I thought this would be a good video for you. We are shipping a Chalkware owl light. So for those of you who are nervous about shipping lights, this is probably the third lamp I have shipped or will be shipping. This one isn't too bad because the head is not too tall on it. The first thing I want to do is kind of get the cord together though, and I'm just going to get it bundled here. And it's nice and cool in the garage today. We're having a nice cool day, so I thought this would be perfect to go ahead and do this little video with you guys. So I'm going to kind of tuck that up behind it. And let's see. So I want to protect that. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab some paper. I'm hoping you guys can see okay. There you go. There we go. My fingers would work this morning. And I just want to reinforce and protect the ears. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing it down to protect the ears. So you see there's an ear there and there's an ear here. And it's kind of going to hold that little stem piece in place. And I'm just going to actually take some tape and tape the paper to kind of hold it. Because what I want to do with this is I want to build kind of a square. And then to protect the top, we're just going to go ahead and put some more paper. And so now we've kind of built up the top like the bottom. Just trying to hold some of that paper in place. And now what this also does is when I bring the cord up, the cord isn't sitting on the chalk. It isn't sitting on anything but the paper padding. And then we're just going to bubble wrap the heck out of it, guys. So I am going to take the corded side and get that down first. Kind of push this all into position. And we're just going to roll this puppy. Oops, it fell down. Tuck that back in there. There we go. And we're going to do a bunch of layers. This guy's going to get bubbled really, really well. That'll be good that that's back there. So 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to go 4. And tear off a 5th piece. Just because I really want this protected super well. And I'm going to push down that paper part. And now we have almost a really good rectangle going. So this piece has actually sat for a little while, but I'm glad it's finally finding a home because it was taking up some shelf space. But sometimes more unique pieces like this, I think I purchased this in October when Newton's Cupboard Michelle was visiting me. So now we're going to go the opposite way. Which is just, it's not going to add a lot of padding on the bottom. So since this is almost the size of the paper, I'm not going to go crazy rolling it because we don't want a whole bunch. You don't want a ridge with a gap in the middle that might bump. So I just want to do maybe 1, 2, and pull off the 3rd sheet. And then we'll go back the other way. So you see how it does come all the way across? I want to make sure I'm not making any big bumps here. And just because I'm being overly cautious, because this is a Chalkware piece, I'm going to go ahead and fold this bottom piece in half to give this a little bit of padding, because we do have a little bit of a ridge here from that piece we just did, and there's some hollow right here. So we're just going to pad that up so if it gets bumped, it doesn't break. And we're going to go 1, 2, and tear, and we should be good with the bubble wrap. I can't really feel the piece anymore. I can't feel any jagged parts. And then we got to figure out what the heck this is going to fit in. Here we go. Beautiful. And now this was an Etsy purchase. This was over $20. So it is going to get the pretty treatment. And this may end up going in the 12 by 12 by 8 priority box. We will see. Just so we can really pad around it well. And I need to, whoops, hold on guys. I'm gonna rock and roll a little. I forgot to get my stickers out. I was not prepared. I apologize. I had to update my coupon codes because I was having issues on Etsy. So let me just fix this. Okay. We're gonna get our little thank you sticker and get our coupon code on there. Now we're gonna see what this Mama Jamma is at. So it is at like 11 by 8 by 6. Huh. You know, I actually have a new 11 by 8 by 6 box size, but I don't know. That seems like that's taller than that to me. Maybe not. Well, let's see. That might work out perfect. Wouldn't that be great? So again, I purchased my boxes on Uline. I get my tissue paper from papermart.com. And my stuffing paper comes from Amazon. And my tape comes from Amazon. And my bubble wrap comes from Bubble Boy. So that would be awesome if this fits right in there. Would you look at that? Well, you know what, guys? I don't like the fact that, if you guys can see that, I don't like the fact that it's doing that because that's going to put pressure and I can't put any extra paper. And for Chalkware, I don't want to risk it. So that was 11 by 8 by 5. So let's try, hold on, 11 by 8 by 5. So if this had been an 11 by 8 by 6, we would have been good. It would have been golden. I just don't want to risk it with the Chalkware. I'm looking for another box, guys. Let's see. So let's try a 12 by 10 by 6. Oops, we lost our sticker. And I think this one's going to work out really, really good. So I want to go ahead and take just one thing of my thicker bubble wrap and get that kind of like this. So it'll protect the front and bottom. Perfect, like a glove. We love that. Get some paper on the sides. So again, this was a 12 by 10 by 6. So you can see the difference. We could have tried to squeeze it in that 11 by 10 by 5, but one good shot to the side and you lose half your owl. Now this guy's nice and secure. The front and back are protected by the bubble wrap. I feel much more confident about shipping it. And we're going to fold this guy over. Perfect. This guy over. Lovely. Looks good. Looks good. Let's close it up. squish. And we got it. And I think this is going to the Midwest somewhere. I want to make sure I have plenty of tape, because this is a heavy one. I want to make sure that bottom doesn't open up on us. And there we go, guys. So let's see what this sucker weighs in at. We've got a 12 by 10 by 6, and he is 3 pounds, 13 ounces. He's a chonky boy. And that's it, guys. That's all I want to show you. So thanks so much for hanging out with me. Where am I? Nope, can't see me. Sorry. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little ship with me video. I'm going to sporadically do these as I have something unique I'm shipping I think might help you all out. If you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or shoot me an email, and I'll be back shipping with you all soon.